Hello everyone, if you're here today it's because you want to know how to do the splits in one day. Am I right? Well, today I'm going to be sharing with you a 9 exercises routine that you're going to love and you're going to be able to get your splits. So say that, let's get to it. First exercise, we're going to do a lunge position. You're going to lift knee out of the ground. You're going to make sure that your hips are square, facing forward and pressing down. And you're going to hold it for 20 seconds. To increase stretching, then you can lower your hands down to the ground, rest your chest on top of your front leg, and keep pressing down with your hips. And we are going to hold there again for another 20 seconds. Next exercise, you're going to drop knee down, point your toes, raise your chest up, keep the hips square the whole time, arms in second position, and we are going to hold it for 20 seconds. You can add here some pour de bras to increase control and balance, and we are going to hold it for 20 more seconds. And next, we are going to open toes facing outwards, knees also going to rotate, and we are going to lower chest down to the floor, and we are going to rest in our elbows. And you're going to hold her again for another 20 seconds. Lunge position, lift your knee out of the ground and hold it for 20 seconds. Lower hands to the ground. Rest your chest on your front leg. Increase stretching and keep pressing hips down. And we hold it for another 20 seconds. Next, you're going to drop knee down, point your toes, lift your chest up, second position arms, and we're going to hold it for 20 seconds. Now we're going to point toes outwards, rotate your knee, lower chest down and rest over your elbows. Next exercise, we're going to do second position a little bit wide. We are going to do grand plie. We are going to hold it here for 20 seconds. Use your hands to increase that stretching, or you can also rest in one side at a time. And next exercise, we're going down to a frog position. Here in this frog position, you can either be in a U position, or you can also bend your knee and your toes trying to touch each other. Then you can even lower all the way down. Next, we're going to do a butterfly position. You're going to use your fingers holding your toes, upright position, and you're going to press knee down and hold it for 20 seconds. Next exercise, we are going to stand one leg to the side, and this one stay bent. And you're going to reach for your toes, and you're going to do 4 repetitions. So it's going to do souple and back. You're going to close your leg in front of you. We are going to face leg. We are going down, reaching for your knee, your leg, and hold it for 20 seconds. Remember to change legs, repeat the same, souple to the side. Knee slide in front of you, face your leg, and we go down, 20 seconds. Now we're gonna open legs, both legs extended in a V position, not split yet. We are going to lower chest down, resting our elbows. Hold it for 20 seconds. We are going to do a hamstring stretching position, toes facing up, hands on the ground. We are going to lower chest down as much as we can. We are going to hold this for another 20 seconds. Recover up. We are going to transfer body weight over a lunge position, and we are going to begin to sliding down our back leg gradually, slowly, and hold 5 seconds. Keep lowering down, hold it 5 seconds. Until you go to the full split. To make sure that your hips are square, opposite hand to the opposite knee, and same with your other arm. Okay, so now we're gonna do the same with the other leg. And now your middle split is gonna be very simple. You're gonna open your legs, you're gonna use your hands to go in a straight line. You're gonna rest over your elbows, and that's it. Full middle split. For more exercises like this one, I would recommend you to click right here, check down below in the description of this video. I'm gonna leave a ton of link for you on how to improve your ballet technique. So like that, go ahead, click your next video and let me know how it goes.